Imagine a world where we can program life itself, where diseases are eradicated with a few keystrokes, where we can grow organs on demand, create supercrops that never fail, and even resurrect extinct species. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. Welcome to the mind-bending world of synthetic biology, where science fiction is becoming reality faster than you can say Crispr. Did you know that in 2010, scientists created the first synthetic life form? A bacteria with a man-made genome, but that was just the beginning. Now we're not just reading the book of life, we're rewriting it, and the implications are nothing short of revolutionary. Synthetic biology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, merging biology with engineering, computer science, and artificial intelligence. It's like Lego, but instead of plastic bricks, we're playing with the building blocks of life itself. And trust me, the results are mind-blowing. Let's start with something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi horror movie. Xenobots. These are living, programmable organisms created from frog cells. They're smaller than a pinhead, but they can move, work together, and even heal themselves. Imagine swarms of these microscopic robots swimming through your bloodstream, delivering drugs exactly where they're needed, or picture them cleaning up microplastics in the ocean, tackling pollution at a cellular level. But that's just scratching the surface. Synthetic biology is revolutionizing medicine in ways that would make Dr. Frankenstein jealous. Scientists are engineering bacteria to hunt down and destroy cancer cells like microscopic assassins. They're creating synthetic antibodies that could neutralize any virus, even ones we haven't encountered yet. And get this, they're working on reprogramming our own cells to fight diseases from within. It's like giving your body a biological software update. But here's where it gets really wild. Synthetic biology isn't just about tweaking what already exists. It's about creating entirely new life forms. Researchers are working on synthetic chromosomes, not just editing genes, but building them from scratch. Imagine designing a creature in a computer and then bringing it to life in a lab. It sounds like playing God, doesn't it? Now, I know what you're thinking. This is insane. What about the risks? And you're right to be concerned. The power to reprogram life itself is not something to be taken lightly. But here's a shocking fact. Nature has been doing this for billions of years. Viruses are constantly rewriting the genomes of other organisms. We're just catching up. Still, the ethical implications are staggering. Who gets to decide what we should or shouldn't create? What happens if synthetic organisms escape into the wild? Could they outcompete natural life forms? And here's a mind-bender. If we can create synthetic life, what does that mean for our understanding of what life is? But let's not get bogged down in doom and gloom. The potential benefits of synthetic biology are too enormous to ignore. Did you know that scientists are using synthetic biology to create artificial photosynthesis? Imagine plants that can produce fuel directly from sunlight. It could revolutionize our energy industry overnight. And in agriculture, we're not just genetically modifying crops anymore. We're designing entirely new ones. Picture wheat that can fix its own nitrogen, eliminating the need for fertilizers. Or crops that can thrive in harsh environments, potentially ending world hunger. But here's where it gets really sci-fi: de-extinction. Scientists are working on bringing back extinct species using synthetic biology. woolly mammoths, passenger pigeons, even Neanderthals. Imagine walking through a park and seeing a living, breathing dinosaur. It's not as far-fetched as you might think. And if we can bring back extinct species, who's to say we can't create entirely new ones? Synthetic biology could allow us to populate other planets with custom-designed life forms, terraforming alien worlds to suit our needs. It's not just about conquering disease or hunger anymore. We're talking about reshaping the very fabric of life across the universe. But let's bring it back to Earth for a moment. Synthetic biology isn't just changing what we can do. It's changing who we are. Researchers are exploring ways to enhance human biology. Stronger muscles, sharper minds, longer lifespans. We're entering an era where we can redesign ourselves at the genetic level. The line between human and machine is blurring. Now, I know this all sounds like science fiction, but remember, just a century ago, the idea of computers or space travel seemed impossible. Synthetic biology is advancing at an exponential rate. What seems outrageous today could be commonplace tomorrow. In fact, here's a mind-blowing statistic. The global synthetic biology market is expected to reach $30 billion by 2026. This isn't fringe science, it's big business. But here's the real kicker. We're only at the beginning. Synthetic biology is like the internet in the early 1990s. We can see its potential, but we can't even begin to imagine all the ways it will change our world. We're standing on the brink of a biological revolution that could redefine what it means to be human. So, are we finally close to the next big leap for humanity? The answer is a resounding yes. But it's not just a leap. It's a quantum jump into a future where the lines between natural and artificial, between living and non-living, are completely blurred. Synthetic biology isn't just changing our world. It's giving us the power to create entirely new ones. The question isn't whether we're close to the next big leap. We're already taking it. The real question is, are you ready for a world where life itself is programmable? Because ready or not, that world is already here. And it's only going to get wilder from here on out. So, what do you think? Are you excited? Terrified? A bit of both? Let us know in the comments below. And if this video blew your mind, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending science. Remember, the future isn't just coming, it's already here. And it's more incredible than we ever imagined.